With its 2773 series compact push-wire connector for junction boxes, WAGO is setting new standards in electrical installation using solid and stranded conductors. The 2773 series portfolio includes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8 conductor connectors, offering electrical installers the right connector for most tasks. The push-wire connection technology used in the 2773 series enables fast connection of conductors without any special tools. Solid conductors with cross-sections ranging from 0.75 square millimeters to 4 square millimeters, and stranded conductors from 1.5 square millimeters to 4 square millimeters can be reliably connected just by pushing them in. Thanks to its innovative contact, the 2773 series combines the benefits of low insertion forces with high pull-out forces and offers the installer the highest level of convenience with maximum safety. A gas-tight contact point provides a durable and secure connection between the conductor and current bar. Every conductor is also clamped by a separate spring. Simply strip the conductor according to the strip length guide printed on the side of the connector housing. Insert the stripped connector until it hits the backstop. The transparent housing permits visual inspection of the conductor position. If conductors are not inserted far enough, they are easily identified. The viewing port in the housing on the non-labelled side allows incorrectly stripped conductors to be easily recognised. The 2773 series offers an exceptionally slim design that is scarcely larger than the conductor insulation of the maximum size conductor. An easy-to-access test port opposite the cable entry provides convenient testing conditions after installation. Solid conductors can be removed by simply twisting and pulling at the same time, and the connector can be reused afterwards. Stranded conductors cannot be removed once they are connected. They are just cut off close to the connector, stripped again and pushed into a new connector. The 2773 series is rated for increased ambient temperatures up to 85 degrees centigrade. The maximum connector temperature 105 degrees centigrade. These connectors have globally recognised approvals. Benefit from the advantages of the 2773 series compact push-wire connector for your electrical installation.